Hi guys, it's Adira Brielle. So the topic of the day is just do it scared. There is no perfect time. Sometimes you just have to do it. Nelson Mandela said courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. There is no perfect time, really. If you feel like you need to feel ready or you need a certain degree, then you never do whatever you plan to do. Fear is worse than doing the actual thing. You're born to do something great in your life, and fear is a dream thief. So, here's some tips to overcome it. First, keep your promises to yourself. Your relationship with yourself is the most important relationship you need to develop. When you keep your promises to yourself, you build self-trust, and confidence is self-trust. Do the things you say you're going to do. You have to believe in you to be successful. If you don't believe in yourself, who will? And start small. For example, if you say you're going to go for a walk for 30 minutes at least for the next 21 days, then do that. That's the amount of time you need to create a new habit. Tip number 2. Speak life over yourself. In the previous video, I talked about that. If you want to know where your life is heading, listen to the words that are coming out of your mouth. Because life and death are in the power of your tongue. Start saying positive statements like, I'm beautiful, I'm fearfully and wonderfully made, I can do it, God is with me. Thirdly, don't give up. God wants us to win. God wants you to win. Say it to yourself every day. God wants me to win. Be fearless. Believe that everything is going to work out. That's the law of assumption. When you believe that everything is going to work out, you are bold. You're fearless. So today, starve your fear. Starve your doubts. And feed your faith, and you will succeed eventually. Lastly, take actions towards your dreams. Just do it. You have to start somewhere. Actions kill fear. Jump in. We can do this, can we? Like I said before, fear is worse than you doing the actual thing. So just do it. You are not alone. God is with you, and I'm encouraging you today. So, okay guys, see you soon and God bless.